it's Milani Gold here. I'm here to show you how to get this sleek, girl, sleek, okay, sleek ponytail. If you want to see this, please stay tuned. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up while you're at it, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I'm starting off trying to figure out what part I should part my hair. So I decided to go with the, I think it's the right part. Yeah, so I'm just perfecting the line to make sure that it is flawless. So I'm gonna section off my hair into, I think it was about 4, 5, 6 parts, just so it's easier for me to kind of put my hair together. Then I'm gonna take my Cantu Shea Butter Conditioning Cream, my favorite, and I'm just applying that to the sections that I parted. Then I'm gonna take my EcoStyler and I'm gonna apply that and work in sections. I'm gonna take my Denman Brush and I'm using it to comb out the hair just so it's tangle free and it's easier for me to put up in a ponytail. So if your hair is really coarse, it's better to work in sections. That way it's easier for you to have everything nice and tamed. So I'm gonna break down the sections that I did, and I'm gonna start off with the other sections just so it doesn't revert back. So just braiding it down is gonna help to loosen out the hair so that when I put it up in a ponytail, it is easier for me to do. So I'm going to take all the braids that I did, I'm going to take them down and let all the hair just run freely so that I could put them all up in a ponytail. I'm going to leave the ones in the front because I have a different method to lay in the front parts of the hair because my front section is not long enough to kind of put it up at once. It will kind of stick out. So I do the back first and then I will work on the front sections in a bit. So now I'm going to start off with the front, and with the front I'm going to take them in smaller sections, part them in smaller sections, and I'm going to apply my EcoStyler to it just so it's easier for me. You'll see what I'm talking about in a bit. So I'm taking my brush and I'm just sleeking it all the way back, so that's easier for me to take them section by section and kind of sleek them back than to take the whole section and just like sleek them back, if that makes sense, because you don't want the bumps. You want it to be as flat as possible, as sleek as possible, so you have to take them in. So I advise to take them in little sections and just work your way to the back that way. And of course I'm applying my EcoStyler to the front as well, and I'm using my hard brush to sleek it all the way back. using the bobby pins to kind of secure them, the shorter parts of my hair. I'm gonna take them off, but for now I'm using them to hold the hair down while I work with the other sections. So you see how everything comes together in a bit. I know it kind of looks crazy, but everything will make sense in a little while. So please hang on. So I'm doing the same thing to the other side. I'm just taking smaller sections and I'm sleeking them back individually. That way it's easier. And if you notice, it is a lot flatter than if I had just taken the whole section and just tried to like sleek them all the way back. So that's just a little secret. So if you have 4C hair and it's really coarse and full and thick like mine, that's just the easiest way to get your hair to be flat and sleek. And of course the EcoStyler and the gel all contributes to having this flawless, sleek, flat look. I'm taking off the ponytail and I'm gonna put my hair back again into a bun. So I am taking the bobby pins out of the hair that I used the bobby pins to hold, and I'm just gonna do that one more time. So I'm gonna make sure everything is tucked in, and it is nice and flat. So I'm going to take a scarf and I'm going to use that to scarf it down and make sure that there's no flyaways and there's no, just to make everything nice and flat. So now that my scarf is on, I'm going to work on the ponytail. So this part, I filmed it, but I kind of messed up a little bit. So I don't really show the process. All I did was take the bundle and I wrapped it around the ponytail. And that was how I got the ponytails to be at the back. I'm so sorry for not filming that part, guys. I really apologize. It was kind of a struggle. I was learning how to do that. So what I did was I just took the ponytail, I just wrapped it around, and I used bobby pins to secure it. And then I did my edges, and that's it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below. Tell me what other videos you'd like to see me do. Thank you so much for all the love, support, and I wish you every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
This could take some time.